Hey folks, I want to show you something really cool. So a lot of people are recording their meetings when there is an AI bot that is joining the meeting and then it taking notes and etc etc etc. And this model of doing meeting recordings is fine. I just want to show you a cool tool that I recently found. One of my friends showed it to me. It's called Granola.ai. And I actually heard a couple of prospects talking to me about this thing and how it can integrate with Enrich platform. And in fact, it can. The difference between Granola and other note takers is that Granola is taking meetings behind the scenes. So basically you download a Mac application and it will be doing the recording of calls without having anybody join your call. So you can just have your one-on-ones with people and do those recordings for yourself. Of course, notify them that, hey, I'm doing a recording on the end, on my end. If you need it, I can share it with you and all these things, but I don't use it. I thought that maybe if you are in a context where you want to record the meeting but you do not want to add those bots because sometimes they break the trust, definitely use a tool like this or another one called Blue Dot. Actually, Blue Dot, I know about them even before Granola. It's a Ukrainian company, or at least a company founded by Ukrainians. So a very cool bunch of guys that are doing a interesting software. It only works with Google Meet. Granola only works with Mac applications. So if you're on Windows, well, then there is certain limitations that you cannot use this Google Meet on Zoom. You'd have to stick to a certain platform where these things are available, or just go and buy a new PC for recording all these things. Maybe there is some kind of a problem with Windows or Linux, I don't know. But only available on Mac, only available on Google Apps. And if you want to use this, just come here, check out their pricing. I think they have some kind of free tiers. Granola is more, because here you can just record 5 meetings. In Granola you can record 20 or something. So do your own research, and if you like them, give them a shout, give them a try. And if this video was helpful for you, check out all the links below. Hit this like, hit that subscribe button, join the Web3 Sales GM community, and we're welcoming you to the second month. Tomorrow is going to be February. So have a good one and see ya. Bye bye.